So good morning everyone. Today I am here to explain you about alternative sources of energy. So let's start our topic. So the meaning of alternative sources of energy is these are basically natural energy forms or the natural sources of energy. They can be defined as use of sources of energy other than the traditional fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas, which are shorter in supply and which are considered harmful to the environment. It includes all renewable and nuclear energy sources. Let's see some examples of alternative sources of energy. So, its examples are solar energy, thermal energy, wind energy, hydro energy, tidal energy, wave energy, geothermal energy, and biofuel energy. So let's study deeply about these forms of alternative sources. So first one is solar energy. Solar energy is used commonly for heating, cooking, the production of electricity, and even in the desalination of seawater. Solar heat has been employed in passively and actively heated buildings as well as district heating systems. Currently, PV panels only have the ability to convert around 60% of the sunlight that hits them into electricity. Solar energy is of two types. First one is electrical energy and second one is thermal energy. Let's talk about the second example of alternative source of energy. So it's wind power. Wind energy is the generation of electricity from the wind. Wind power plants has been set up in the location where the wind velocity is high. These areas receive less rainfall compared to all parts of the country. Rainfall accompanied by wind in these areas will not affect electricity generation. In the event these areas experience heavy rain, power generation will decline if heavy rain continues. There will be a steady drop in electricity generation. Our next example is hydropower. Hydroelectric power comes from the potential energy of damped water driving a water turbine and generator. It's basically the use of water dams or the flow of water that can be converted into electricity that is used as electrical power. So another variation is to make use of water kinetic energy or undamped sources such as tidal power. So